We all love cake, right? The beautiful combination of eggs, milk, butter, sugar, and flour mixed together to create a beautiful dessert. But what happens when you add or take away ingredients? Add cocoa and vanilla cake becomes chocolate cake, remove the flour and it becomes gluten-free. Add carrots and spices, you get a carrot cake. You get the idea. A cake is only a cake because of its specific ingredients, kind of like a protein is only a protein because of its amino acids. You might be wondering what an amino acid is and how it dictates protein type and function. Well, you've come to the right place. Let's get into it. First off, what is an amino acid? Put simply, amino acids are protein building blocks. There are 20 different amino acids that are important for our bodies to function, which can be split into two groups: essential and non-essential. Essential amino acids are the ones that we cannot produce naturally in our bodies, so we have to get these from our diet, like arginine. We've also got non-essential amino acids, which are the ones that our bodies do produce, like alanine. With about 10 essential and 10 non-essential amino acids, our body has 20 amino acids to play with to create proteins. Now that we know what an amino acid is, let's talk about function. Individual amino acids group together in a polypeptide chain, combining multiple amino acid monomers to make a protein. The order that these amino acids combine is determined by protein encoding genes, just like a recipe determines which ingredients you put in a cake. Proteins are incredibly important for us to survive, taking part in most of the body's natural processes, including growth and tissue repair. Okay, let's talk structure. Much like how all cakes start with the same base ingredients, all 20 amino acids have the same main structure: a central carbon, the alpha carbon, an amino group, a carboxyl group, and a hydrogen atom. The R group or side chain is the key to forming a unique amino acid. For example, if the R group is a hydrogen atom, that means the amino acid we're looking at is glycine. But if the R group is a methyl group, then we're working with alanine. The R group not only determines which amino acid is created, but also the properties of that amino acid and how it behaves chemically. There are 4 different behavioral categories that amino acids fit into: acidic, basic, polar, or nonpolar. Acidic amino acids have an acidic R group, considered to have a negative charge. This includes glutamic acid and aspartic acid, for example. Basic amino acids have, you guessed it, a basic R group with a positive charge. This includes lysine, arginine, and histidine. Polar amino acids, also considered uncharged, have R groups that are water-soluble, acting more hydrophilic than the nonpolar amino acids. These include serine, threonine, and glutamine, among others. Finally, you've got nonpolar amino acids, also called aliphatic amino acids. These amino acids, like glycine, alanine, and valine, are hydrophobic and do not like water. There is also a subset of hydrophobic amino acids called aromatic amino acids, including phenylalanine and tryptophan, which have aromatic R groups that are nonpolar too. So, based on the structure we just talked about, how do amino acids link together? Amino acids link together with peptide bonds, joining the carboxyl group of one amino acid to the amino group of another. This combination releases a water molecule and the process continues until a whole chain is formed. Truly the icing on the cake. Click on the video on your screen to learn more about the fascinating field of human biology, including proteins and so much more. Like the video so you tell me and YouTube that you want to see more of these. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next upload. We'll see you in the next one.